Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to Make Money Online, the go-to place for all things money-related. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: passive income. If you've ever dreamt of making money while you sleep, you're in the right place. Stick around as we unveil some powerful strategies to help you achieve financial freedom through passive income. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our wealth-building tips. Let's get started. First things first, let's establish what passive income truly means. Passive income is all about creating revenue streams that require minimal effort on your part. It's about setting up systems that work for you, allowing you to enjoy life while your money works in the background. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a sustainable way to build wealth over time. One classic method is dividend investing. By purchasing dividend-paying stocks, you not only benefit from potential capital appreciation but also receive a share of the company's profits in the form of dividends. These payments can provide a steady stream of income, allowing your money to work for you. Similar to dividend investing, high-yield savings accounts are also a good method if you have enough capital. Opening a high-yield savings account will allow you to gradually earn interest on your savings. Unlike traditional savings accounts, high-yield accounts offer better interest rates, helping your money grow faster over time. It's a low-risk option that requires minimal effort. Just sit back and watch your savings grow. Now, let's talk about the digital world. Creating and selling digital products such as e-books, online courses, or stock photos can be an excellent source of passive income. Once the initial work is done, you can continue earning money as people purchase and download your products. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your website can serve as a storefront for your digital creations. Another powerful avenue is creating an online course. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider creating and selling an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to share your knowledge with a global audience. Once the course is created, you can earn passive income as people enroll in your program. Affiliate marketing is a game changer in the online space. By promoting other people's products or services, you can earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. This requires minimal effort once you've set up your affiliate relationships and marketing channels. Consider joining affiliate programs related to your niche for maximum impact. Speaking of online platforms, starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a fulfilling and profitable venture. Through advertising, sponsorships, and partnerships, you can monetize your content and generate passive income. Consistent and high-quality content is key to building an audience, so choose a niche you're passionate about and share your expertise with the world. Now, let's explore the world of finance and technology. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with individual lenders, allowing you to earn interest on the money you lend. While there are risks involved, carefully selecting loans and diversifying your lending portfolio can mitigate potential losses. It's a hands-off way to grow your wealth through interest payments. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to generating passive income. Remember, building passive income takes time, patience, and dedication. Diversify your sources of income, stay informed, and adapt to changes in the market. The road to financial freedom is a journey, not a sprint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more financial wisdom, and as always, thanks for tuning in to Make Money Online. Until next time, happy investing.